Hey everyone, John Chow here for johnchow.com. It is Saturday. I'm here at the San Clemente outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. Let's go check it out. Coffee. It's a beautiful sunny day today. The show has just started. It's like 5 minutes from starting. So nice BMW M5. There's the Cars and Coffee merchandise tent. BMW Driving School, one of the sponsors of the show. And then here we have the Camaro belonging to the founder. And that's his son's car, the Audi R8. And these are the cars of Cher. You can rent these cars, the Lamborghini and the Rolls Royce. And you know, I think you think the Lamborghini is a big car, and then you see this Rolls Royce, and holy crap! Yeah. There we have Poststar. Yeah, another sponsor of the show. There we have Jay's Ford GT. The new 992 GT3. This is, check it out, really nice in red too. Yeah, really nice. Ferrari California. And check out this Porsche. This is vintage right here. Number 130. And with the speedster windshield. 5-point racing harness. Gated shifter, not a gated shifter, but really cool. Check out that detail on the shifter. And wow, check out this motor. Cool. And then next to that we have the modern Ford GT, GT2 RS, next to a GT3 RS, 720 McLaren. Then we have here the Aston Martin, the Bull Rider Lamborghini, and check out this yellow Lamborghini Urus with the Italian racing stripe. Very nicely done. And look, Urus step-up ladder. I like that. Supercharger Aston Martin convertible. Very nice. James Bond would be proud. Very bright yellow Lamborghini Aventador S Aventador. Another Lamborghini with a mustache. Another California. AMG GT. Some Porsches. Another Porsche with a huge wing on this one. Very shiny McLaren. Next to a very shiny Lamborghini. And check this out. This here is the LaFerrari Aperta. One of only, I think, 399 or 499 in the world, but super rare. Worth about, I don't know, $3.5, $4 million. Yeah, that. Aperta. How much? 7 million? 8 million?
I think.
8 million bucks?
Last time I seen a price on this car.
Alright, so they appreciate it a lot since it was first introduced. When Ferrari made it, I think they sold for around 3 million bucks, but now, according to our photographer, right there, $8 million. Damn. Let's take a closer look. That Ferrari badge, mirror, wow. Wow, check out that interior. And this little piece right here for aerodynamic is to prevent your hair from getting ruffled when the top is down. And there we have the V12 engine in there. Yeah, this thing is brand new. I can see the wires for the electric motor on there. Yeah, so this is the Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta. Aperta is Italian for open, so makes sense. Yeah, no one's paying attention to this Lamborghini or that Lamborghini. They're all looking at the Aperta. Yep. All right, continuing along. Check out the 488 here. I see a 720. And oh, check out this Poststar. Black with yellow. Very nice. And matching yellow seats on the inside, I see. Yeah. And we got some classic cars over here. If my video looks a little different today, it's because I'm filming it using the same phone, but I'm using the main lens, and the main lens is not as wide as the wide-angle lens, but has better quality. And I also have an ND filter on it because it's a super sunny day. Some nice vintage Datsun 260, or was it 240? But yeah, nice Japanese muscle. And then American muscle, German muscle, not the Japanese muscles. Check out this 1967 Corvette Convertible. Now that's vintage, and I see he's got the original window stickers on it. Look at that. That's the car insurance, and over there I think it's the price list.
Well, I remember when these came out.
Yeah, $5,400. That was how much this car cost in 1967. Today, a lot more than that. Ford Bronco. It's for sale. Only 155,000 miles on it. There's America right here. Yeah, this is America. Dodge Charger, Ford Mustang, it's America. Another vintage Corvette next to a very modern Porsche Speedster. Yeah. Of all the 718 generation, this is my favorite of the 718. It looks the best, and it's a convertible, so perfect for California. Check out the twin turbo setup. Twin HKS turbo. Using a Cher air filter. I like that. And here we have another super setup. This one is a okay. This is a neat setup. Okay. I see one intake there. Okay. And I see an intercooler. The turbo is tucked underneath the car somewhere. Interesting packaging. Mazda Miata MX-5 with fenders, flares, bigger wheel. Supercharged motor. Wow. Yeah. Well, that's a pretty tiny supercharger right there. And I think I see, oh my God, I think I see NOS nozzles as well. Yeah, pretty crazy. Back to American muscle here, some couple of Ford Performance. Wow, check out that supercharger. It barely clears the hood. Jeez. Yeah, big intake. Crazy. And then we got this one here, also a supercharge. So this is using a synthetic supercharger, whereas this unit here is using a root style supercharger. This is a root supercharger, and that's a synthetic. And the synthetic looks like a turbo, but it's not.
Take care.
It's the Screaming Chicken. Datsun 280Z. The hood is up, so let's check it out. I see. Oh, check it out. A Nissan overhead cam 3.2 liter inline six with Weber carburetors. Jeez. We have a Corvette Grand Sport. This is basically, you get the look of a Corvette Z06, but without the big Corvette Z06 motor. You save some money, you get the looks, but not the go. I entered a lot, and you see this group of people, they're looking for parking space. Interesting to see a supercar MP412C at the end of the lot. Usually they're at Supercar Row at the front. This guy has a serious camera setup. Check it out. It's a Ferrari 812 GTS. So take the regular GTS, remove the top, keep the same natural aspirated V12 motor, and this is what you got. California version, and of course, got a baby seat. Got a baby seat, you know. It proves that most Ferrari owners are married with children. Nissan GTR. Over there's my favorite Model 3. All modified. It has nice engine sound. Oh, check this out. Wow. This is a Porsche 911 Sports Classic. With the little whale, with the little dolphin fin, whale tail, guppy tail, whatever you call it. Yeah. Cool. I see a Ferrari LaRusso, I believe, or what? FF. Another GT2 RS.
Well, I got it after all that. I got September.
Another Ferrari. Aston Martin. Another Pista. Wow, I think that's like 3 pieces today. McLaren. Basically, the rest of Supercar Row is pretty busy today, as you can see. Lots of people. Yeah. It's a beautiful day for cars and coffee. So, yeah. This is why people come to the show. I mean, it's a great day it's a great way to spend a Saturday morning. If you're a car enthusiast, this is the place to be on Saturday. So, if you're in the Orange County area, you should definitely check it out. JohnShop.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.